In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear door-mounted weather strip seal. So that would be this one right here. Now we are dealing with the extended cab, not the crew cab, so this is the 1.5 door, if you want to call it that. And this will apply to the 08 to 2010 Ford F-250. Take a trim tool, and this one will be pretty easy. All you have to do is pop the old one out. The new one will come with push clips, so if the old ones break, that's totally fine. Make sure you face it the right way. It has a curve to it. The curve should be facing down. And all you have to do now is press in the push clips until they click and are secured into the door. Now just go ahead and close the door. Make sure it stays in here. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.